Hello everyone, and welcome to the weekly analysis session for the markets, where we will analyze Indian markets, global markets, and commodity markets. So, let us see what weekly chart has to say. Like back to back, we got two red arrows, which shows that there is some weakness in going up over here. And in background and between, we also had a green bar, but now I think it will get negated over here. So we need to see when the price spends some time over here, will we get the signs of weakness in lower time frames or not? Because now, when the lower time frames turn to bearish, then this whole upward move will just turn bearish. But if we fail to do so, then this up move may continue to the upside. And also, because of border tensions, everyone is planning for shorts and something like that. Market is kind of unpredictable at this time, but until and unless everyone is just planning for shorts and all that, the market is not going to fall that smoothly. Let me take you to intraday levels, then I will show you. So in the background, we have this 22nd of April sign of weakness, and then after an stretched uptrend, we have a bearish engulfing. So let us move to intraday time frame. So people started shorting, and at these levels, we got signs of strength, signs of strength. Then after these signs of strength, we got a nice upward retracement. Now we have to see when the price moves back up to this region, will we get so when the price moves up to this region, will we get continued signs of weakness or not? Otherwise, we can see that uh, this retracement might continue to the upside. Like it will just go up and up if we don't see any sign of weakness over this place in shorter time frames. Now let us move to Bank Nifty. I would say that this is actually a sign of weakness because after a stretched uptrend and crossing the all-time high, it closed above but with a pin bar. So maybe this is also a sign of weakness in Bank Nifty. If we see, okay. Hmm. So we might see more weakness in Bank Nifty, I guess, if we will go short because more longs will be there, will be trapped here if we get a downside move. If we go to intraday, yeah, there was some signs of strength, but this one just negated it. In this too, we just need to see what price does it in this range. Will we get some more signs of weakness over here or not? So that's for Bank Nifty. Now let us move to S&P 500. This week was no doubt very full of strength and power. We engulfed this bar, and now if we see on the daily time frame, we got back to back. We got back to back signs of weakness, but we somehow managed to close above this 5520 level. I don't know if it will sustain or not. I'm not thinking so, but because we are not seeing some strong signs of weakness at 30 minute time frame. So because here we also see green arrows and these things, so here the signals are mixed. So I think smart money will not short up till now. They will still wait for some higher levels to come, and then they can plan for fresh shorts. Or otherwise, we will just negate all these beers and just move up and up. But this is a very deadly combination of an arrow and a cross. It mostly works, but let's see when it works. Maybe after one or two bars we can see. Because on intraday time frame we are still not at the place because these are signs of weakness, but the closing of this bar is almost at the high, so this sign we don't take. Uh, Yeah. So if we will move to Dow Jones, Dow Jones doesn't looks that much good. So I think if someone will drag all these American markets, it will be Dow Jones. Um, hmm. Some sign of weakness was over here, and I think above this level we can grab some liquidity and then we can go for some short side trades. So in Dow Jones, we need to watch out for these levels up here, and also we had some daily levels marked over here, which are 4817 and 41015. Now let us move to dollar index. Mm, we got a nice strong week, but I don't think that it will continue much more. I think much of like 100 levels, around 100 levels we can go, and then we can again continue the down move if we are still to go down. Uh, but this signal, which is showing over here, arrow, cross, and then arrow, it simply is kind of signal of strength. So in intraday time frame, I would like to have some liquidity cleared over these levels or around this, and then maybe we can plan for some longs over here because in intraday also here we had a green arrow and a sign of strength over here. So maybe we can come to these levels a little bit, pierce below these, and then we can plan for some up move because daily looks strong, but in intraday smaller time frames, we still need to have some confirmation of that strength. And on weekly, what I am thinking is there is not that much chance of a huge retracement on the upside, but yeah, some retracement can be expected. And I don't think that daily chart can move it a lot upside because if we will move some further up here, because here we got a gap over here. So maybe we can come to fill this gap. Let me delete all these first. By the way, these levels I gave on my newsletter, which you can see on LinkedIn. If you will visit my profile, the link is in the description if you want to see. And here we got the Wolf View, which is a newsletter published weekly. And today I just mentioned these three levels that you can see in dollar index. If you will see that we have these levels marked. So you can have a read of it. So maybe we can have a gap fill over here of this. Yeah. And on the moment of this gap fill, we can further choose where to go, like on the upside or downside. In intraday charts, we can find it. Uh, 30 minutes. But, yeah. Hmm. Okay. I think, yeah, this downside can be cleared a little bit, then we can plan for some further up move just to fill the gaps, I think, first. Because on weekly, I'm not seeing that much strength. Now let us look at Brent crude. Okay, Brent crude here is having the strength, but now we are having a bearish Rami over here with nice volumes. So we might see some kind of continuation over here, but in this week range, I know that this is a big range for a week, but this big range is very much important to see because on daily time frame, I'm not seeing that uh, going any smaller. This range is still. Mm, yeah, I can't say on daily we can shrink this wick, but on weekly you should mark this whole wick, and in this region we can uh, hunt for some bullish setups or something like that. But on daily, if you will see, we just had this move initiated by the weak sellers. Nothing more can be seen here. So I don't know that a daily time frame will support the weekly one or not. But weekly time frame, we got our first sign of strength, which is the green arrow. I don't know if it's going to work or not. For that, we want a confirmation in the daily time frame, or we can also have a confirmation in the intraday time frames of 1 hour or 30 minutes. So we need to wait for it. But yeah, weekly chart has shown its sign of strength first. Now let us move to gold. Bears tried to kick in, but they were unable to close it at the bottom. So I think that we might see again a bull run in it because bears are just trying to short the market and the market is not moving like they want it to. If you will see RSI in this range, which I have also mentioned in my newsletter, you will see here and here there is a divergence on RSI if you will plot it. But I somehow think that that RSI divergence is bound to be failed. So we might see some more upside in gold, which is left. It will be a mad rally, of course. Normally, I'm not seeing that much strong setups, but yeah, there is some signs of strength in the background. So we might see some up move in the coming days. This was gold. Now let us move to Bitcoin. So our weekly chart is pretty much strong, but this area is like still pending, no wick in the downside. So I think it should get tested, but I don't know when. Mm, I hope it gets tested. Uh, but if we go above this range, then the up move will be a little bit wild. Uh, so just mark this level. I don't know what's the level. Around 96, 800, somewhat like that. And in on the daily charts, we had this level marked. Let me mark it again. Yeah, so we have got a strong closing above that with nice volumes. These are above average volumes. So maybe we will have a continued uptrend. And yeah, we are going to blast above. Now let us see the hourly time frame. Yeah, it's showing some strength over here. Yeah, we may go up. Hmm. Maybe before the weekly close of this bar, uh, maybe a few hours are left. We might see the closing at the top. The 4 hour looks strong. Maybe we can go till here somehow, and we will have a strong weekly close daily. So in Bitcoin, just try to find some bullish setups for now. It is not a time for shorting it. Similarly, now let us look at Ethereum. Okay, it has moved quite a bit up. Let's see how the daily time frame worked. Okay, the range we drew, we got a nice strong closing above that. We drew it in 4 hour or 1 hour. I still don't remember it. This should have been a little bit lower. Yeah. Okay, so this range is important now. And actually, we have like got above it with nice volumes. And the red volumes, you can say that the retracement was with pretty much less volume. So this move might sustain and we can see a nice up move in Ethereum. Uh, As you can see, we had some strong signs of strength over here, but since the hourly time frame was not very much conducive, I was restrained in not going long in Ethereum. But maybe this bar would have, uh, if I was observing it on maybe 21st of April, then this bar would have mm, mm, signaled me to go long. 4 hour also, yeah. Maybe if we will retrace, then you can have this level marked. This is the thin area which has been formed by smart money, like breaking this range with this, like uh, this and this. The smart money wants this price gap to always be there between retailer's position and its position, which it has taken in this consolidation. So I think that this level should work 1681 for going long. Yeah, it's looking strong, and just try to be long in Ethereum. And Bitcoin is also looking strong, so no doubts about that. Uh, that's what I wanted to say. So just trade nicely and keep yourself safe and have a nice week coming ahead. Thanks for watching, guys.